Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker. In this video, we're going to talk about the Tucker LOCT system. We're going to discuss what is it, why do you need it, and how to adapt your brush to the Tucker LOCT system. What is the Tucker LOCT system? Well, it's a two-piece quick release system for water-fed brushes that will allow for easy brush changeouts and securely lock your brushes into place. Why would somebody want the Tucker LOCT system versus brushes equipped with Euro sockets? It's quite simple. If you take your brush that has a Euro socket and also the male threaded Euro tip, you can see that changing out your brushes can be time consuming. And often what you'll find is that for most cleaning instances, where it fits tight is at an angle that is not practical. So then you have to tighten it until it gets into the right position. With the Tucker LOCT system, it's going to allow for quick, fast changeouts and also lock your brush into the proper angle. Now here's how to change out your existing Euro socket brush and your Euro tip on your gooseneck. First, when you do the brush, we're going to take out the two screws holding in your Euro socket into place. Next, you'll take your Tucker LOCT brush adapter, reusing the two screws that we took out for the brush socket. Next, we'll take our gooseneck and we're going to take this off, this male tip off, and then we're going to take your locked receiving end that goes onto the gooseneck. And now you can use it and you can see how it locks into place and real easy and quick. And if you wanted to adjust your angles, you have the option to put it into different angles. And this is what it looks like on your pole. And now if you're wanting to change your brush head, this is our dual trim nylon. Say you run into windows that are a little dirtier than usual. So you want to swap out your nylon brush that is perfect for maintenance cleans. Now you can quickly take that off and switch it to our Tucker Borehair brush. If you have any questions regarding the Tucker LOCT system, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. All of our contact information will be in the description of this video. Thank you and have a great day.